I guess ziyakhala manje for uSakhile because somebody wants this seat and we don't know who that is. Oh well, we know, but partially because now, Sakhile asked Jackson if he was the one that is orchestrating all these things, and Jackson said no, he's not aware, but he actually is enjoying the ride. And now it looks like these threats have escalated to a point where ungathi uzogcina uthathile umhlalaphansi, but the question is what will then motivate him to go, because he said that if this is Jackson, he is not going to back down. Now the question is, would this be Umphakathi that will be uh, the one that is saying he must sit down? And we know, would see this has isandla semfene ngaphakathi, ladies and gentlemen. As you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Dimadekwana, Sanbanan, Avishan, Modwen, Minjani, Hipokile Hingagwina. So namuhla ka nongwa hina was Smoke and Mirrors, hikuma kuruslos tansekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Umshana Sakhile is a bit concerned about the proceedings, and he feels that before umuntu eze eshona nkosiyami akuhlalweni phansi, because I mean we cannot be with sibulalelwe imsebenzi, guys, because now I think for him it's becoming a traumatic situation, because remember abazali bakhe bashona ngendlela engekho right. So naye sengathi semanje sekuvuka lokho ukuthi no, but remember where I've been and what I've been through, so I don't want to be going back there. So we might as well just let him go back and sit. And I think for Usakile probably inkinga ukuthi if now he goes back and start afresh, should obuyele Depo, and is he willing to go at Depo? I don't see him going at Depo. I just see him anamathela kulesi sihlalo sobukhosi until umphakathi then says no. On the other hand, since the baby shower is not there, the organizer for a baby lunch, I don't know what are they gonna call it, is underway, and Umamiki, well, she's not really feeling sad ukuthi kahle kahle Umi said that part wherein she has going to have a grand entrance, purely because ubaba wakhe umtshelile athi usomgaga somdeja said that if we do this thing kuzoba namashwa, and mina I don't want ukuzithola ngiluze umntwana ngenxa ye-activity yesuku elilodwa. We might as well just have the baby instead of instead of having the baby shower and lose the baby. So I'm not planning to lose the baby. So now on the other hand, again, Ubaba Mkhwanazi, he is trying to be supportive, and then Uthandiswa comes back. Uyamtshela ukuthi what has happened at work, ube new vision futhi, but he can hear her. The thing is, I think he just does not believe in all of this, and uzwa ngathi ubalisa ibali. It's like a story to him. He does not understand, does not feel anything. On the other hand, Jackson is very upset, saying that yena he is tired ngalento yakhe yokuba umahlalela, and which means that he's going to be going around hlokolozing abantu. Obviously it has to be Umkhwanazi no Mr. Mayor, because othe yena ufuna isihlalo sakhe sobukhosi.